Old-fashioned candied sweet potatoes with marshmallows is a holiday favorite. It only takes a few easy steps. First, you're going to make your sauce by melting together butter, cinnamon, brown sugar, and maple syrup. Combine and stir until fully melted, and then set aside. The next step is to wash and peel and then chop all your sweet potatoes. For this recipe and my casserole dish, I used 4 large sweet potatoes. You're going to want to chop the sweet potatoes into bite-sized pieces, about a ½ inch thick. After all the potatoes are chopped, you're going to want to boil them until fork tender, which is about 10 minutes. After the potatoes are boiled, drain them and put them in your casserole dish and layer the sauce on top. Bake the casserole dish for about 20 minutes. Remove from the oven and layer the marshmallows on top. Put the casserole back in the oven and cook for about another 10 minutes till the marshmallows are puffed, but we don't want them to burn, so keep a close eye on them. This dish can be made ahead of time by preparing the potatoes, making the sauce, combining it in your casserole dish, putting a cover on it, and refrigerating it the night before. Then you can bake the dish until warm and gooey on the day of your holiday celebration.